Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a candy corn bat from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this sweet bat, let's first start by drawing the squishmallow shape. So I'm going to start right here with a nice big curve at the top. And all the squishmallows are always a little bit narrower at the top. So I'm going to come right about here and bring down this big curve. And then I'm going to bring this down. It's going to widen out a little bit. And bring it down more. And about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. And as always, you can make your squishmallow shorter or taller. Up to you how squished you want it to be, right? So about right here, I'm going to bring it in. And connect it at the bottom with a straighter curve. There. So I got this big squishmallow shape in. Now that we have that, we can turn this into a bat. So let's come from there. Now that we have this shape in, let's come back to the top area about, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw the eyes. So I'm just going to draw this circle right about here. Then I'm going to come across about right here and draw another circle. There. Okay, so now that I have that in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. Since I have enough space, I'm drawing pretty big. So I'll put in two small circles in here for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. But if you're drawing small, you can just shade this all in black like the original Squishmallows. And lines at the bottom. But I like my draw so cute eyes because then you can put some color in them, right? Make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And then we need to give this bat a big smile, right? So about right here in between the eyes, I'm going to draw a nice big curve and cap it off. And if you like, because it's a bat, you can put in two little fangs right there. Then let's make it look like a candy corn. So I'm going to come to the top over the eyes and say about right here. I'm just going to drag a point across. Just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve right across to separate the three colors of our candy corn. So right over the eye, and then maybe about right here, another layer. So once again, just to draw a soft curve. Oops. And up. There. And just kind of try and follow the top curve that I drew. So now that I have that, and once we color in, we're going to know for sure it's a candy corn. We need to put in some ears. So I'm going to come up right here and draw the hairband, the headband. So I'm just going to go up one more layer and bring it down for the headband. There. And then let's see, then we need to put in some bat ears. So right about here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw these simple bat ears, round it off the tip and bring it in. And then just the inside as well. And same thing over here. So about right here, just go up, round off the tip and bring it down. And the inside. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw the wings. So I'm going to come to the sides about right here, and we're just going to draw 2 cute wings. Go up and down to about right there. Then in this area, I'm going to round it off and then draw 1, 2, and 3 curves. And if you like, you can come in here for some details. Just follow the top. And 2 lines right there. So same exact thing on the other side, about right there. And here. So let's go up once again. And come down just like the other side, and then about right here. Round it off and go 1, 2, and 3. And the details. There. Okay, and that is pretty much it for this drawing here of this cute candy corn bat. Make the ears a little bit more defined. And I'll add a heart right here to finish it off to make this my Draw So Cute candy corn bat inspired by Squishmallows. I really hope you love this drawing and that helped you draw fun and easy today to celebrate Halloween. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.